Okay, so with that, we come to the end of this 6 day journey and the beginning of a lifetime's journey of being client centric healers, not just therapists, who will heal the individual and not just treat the illness. And I've been very, very amazed with the 16th batch, the 7 participants, the way, the diligence with which you took to all the practice wisdom that I had with me, which I had to share with you, the diligence with which, the depth with which you went into the tracks and applied it, not just in making prescriptions, but also in terms of consultation. I'm feeling, as I said a little while back, very contented and grateful uh, to Supreme Force because of bringing us together. And there is, as you know, always a reason for some people to come together. And I think we were destined to come together. And I'm sure it is going to be a fantastic journey way forward. As you all might know, that after this, you'll be added to a larger group of people who have graduated from this course. There are more than 100 people over there already. And all your questions, all your case related questions can be put up there. And there are a lot of therapists who can answer, of course. I am always there to answer, but I prefer it to be posted on that group rather than posted to my personal account, because there are many more people who can answer that. Of course, there's the FB group, all that batch uh, FB group. You can definitely uh, post your inquiries there also. And even Dietmar Kramer sometimes responds. So you can get Dietmar Kramer responding also. So, we will be connected. It's not that we are going to move away from each other. So with that, I would request you all to say a few words ex- expressing your experience of these last 6 days. Uh, how has it helped you? And more importantly, also, how do you think people who are there, like you, who intend and aspire to be client centric therapists and healers, how this can help them? So please feel free, whatever you think comes to your mind, you can share. Thank you.
Yeah, I would like to start, sir. Thanks a lot, sir, Indronil, because what I have learned here, I have not yet, learned this structured approach and coming to a client-centric approach and be more confident about your prescription rather than just taking the symptoms and randomly giving the remedy. Because I've seen in that the negative part is whenever you give randomly the remedy, the symptoms reappear again and again because I've not healed the patient. So now I'll see the shift in my prescriptions and in my patients. So it is, thank you very much.
My pleasure, Hitel. And I think that was a very, very valid point. Thank you.
So all along I have been using only the classical approach. But now, in the last 6 days, introduction to the structured approach, I think it will be more pinpointer as to where to fit in the remedy for the person and not the illness.
Mm,
And that
awesome.
give a more composite relief for the person suffering from the disorder or illness.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I can say so.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a very enlightening experience learning from you, sir, about uh, the tracks and the body maps and the entire consultation way, like how to conduct the consultation, the 5 whys to reach to the root cause. That has really taught me a lot. So it is going to really help me in my practice. And
I'm
it
glad.
was a very new way of the 5 whys. I never really thought of 5 whys. So this is really nice, sir. Very, very happy to be here with you.
I'm happy.
Thank you, sir.
To have you with us over here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
This is Chatrika. So, very, very happy to be here first. And I don't know what brought me here, but I'm feeling very contented, very confident enough to go ahead as a therapist with Batch Remedies. So the way you took us, the confidence that you gave us is extremely, extremely, it went on a very soothing, very understanding way. And it has built up a lot of confidence in us. The technical way of approaching the client, the structural practice, what you have given, the client-centric concept, what you have brought in and guided us with all these things. It's really, really amazing. And it's like you made our job very easy is the takeover feel what I'm having as of now, right now. So you made our therapist work so easy. And of course, yeah, very confident enough to go ahead.
So happy.
And thank you very much for being with us, sir.
Thank you.
So should I? Thank you so much, sir. It was a beautiful journey, and especially being on Zoom, sir, we are able to learn practically how to consult, how to use tracks. So that was really an amazing part. Thank you for everything, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Can I say, sir?
Yeah, I was waiting for you, the baby of the team.
Yeah. First of all, the aim of me is to treat my family first and treat my clients. And as we have gone through a client-centric approach, we are helping our clients to heal from the core and not by managing.
Never mind. I think Santoshi got disconnected. So, Deepa, would you like to take on?
हाँ सर, सर थैंक यू पहले बोलेंगे सबसे पहले आपको, क्योंकि मेरी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी कि हिंदी में, तो आपने इतना इजी से हमको समझाया उस चीज को कि बहुत अच्छे से सीख गए। और आपने सही बोला, रेमेडी नहीं, हमने थेरेपी कैसे करनी है वो सीखा इसको, और काफी डीप तरीके में सीखा, क्योंकि बाकी जगह हमको सिर्फ रेमेडीज पढ़ने को मिलती थी, लेकिन उसको कैसे अप्लाई करना है, कैसे क्या करना है, वो आपसे ही सीखा सर। सर थैंक यू सो मच सर।
Chaliye, so I think we are all together and there's no need to thank anyone. I'm just an instrument of the of passing over things onto you, which I received as blessings. Even my masters, I thank them, my guides, and not just batch flower masters and batch flower guides, people who over so many years have helped me to gain learning from my experience and otherwise. I thank all of them. And I also thank you as recipients, because it would have been of no use if people like you were not there to receive it. And with that, I think it's a fantastic journey ahead of you. Wish you guys all the best. And you have all my support all through. So let's stay connected and we will keep talking, we'll keep solving, and we'll keep healing together. Bye then.
Thank you, sir.
So what about